I woke up this morning and I thought it would be fun to give away our flexible solar panels. So that's what we're doing today. We're giving our flexible solar panels away to one of you. Hey, how's it going? I hope you guys are doing good. Today, this video is going to be a little bit different than normal. It's just a way that I want to say thank you to you guys for watching. So appreciative for you guys watching, those that have subscribed to the channel. It really means a lot to us. And so I was wanting to do a giveaway at 60,000 subscribers, which we just hit not that long ago, but I never came up with anything, and I thought it would be fun. We have 2 solar panels sitting in our RV when we travel, and we the flexible ones, the ones that we put out when we need a little bit extra power. Truth be told, they sit here the majority of the time. They're less than a year old. We've only used them like a handful of times, so they're in really good shape, got a lot of life in them. So, I mean, they're practically new. And I thought, how fun would it be to give those away to somebody that wants to get into solar or would love to have a couple hundred watts of solar to start their system or to help replenish that power in their batteries? How fun would that be to give that to them and get them started on that? So I thought an easy way for us to do this giveaway is just leave a comment down on this video if you want the panels, along with your Instagram handle. Just leave that in your comment also. That way I have a way to contact you if you're the winner. We're just gonna randomly pick a comment. Since this is like a contest by nature, I have to leave rules down in the description. The gist of the rules are going to be continental United States for this one. I plan to do more giveaways where we can open it up from there, but it's going to end June 30th. So if it's past that, you don't need to leave a comment because the contest will already be over. So June 30th, this Sunday at 10 p.m. Eastern. So just leave a comment and you're entered. So with this giveaway and the giveaways we have coming up in the future, it's just a way that I want to say thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys, those that have subscribed. It just means a lot to us. So just a big thank you and good luck to all who enter. Well, that's gonna do it for today. So remember to get out there, have fun. And if we don't see you on the road, hopefully we will see you in the next video.